What's happening, guys? I just got a little disturbing thing on my internet. A package I've been waiting for. It was supposed to be here Tuesday. Then, due to a weather delay, it wasn't supposed to be here till Friday. Then yesterday they said it wasn't supposed to be here till Thursday, which is today. So I checked it this morning and it says it was delivered yesterday. It says it was delivered yesterday. So let's go see what we've got out here. Dummies. They must have, oh man, way away from the house. They didn't even bother knocking. Got 3 dogs in there, guys. 3 dogs. You think they'd have heard something. This thing's been out here all night long. And they must have come, pardon the bouncing, guys, but they must have come in the middle of, or you know, after dark and dropped this off. They didn't even bother to make a noise. I can't believe 3 dogs didn't catch this. Anyway, let's get it inside here, guys, and take a look and show you what we got. It's a Christmas gift. I picked this up for my stepmom, and it's going to be for my nephew. So hold tight. So yeah, guys, anyway, this package here I ordered it on Saturday. It came on Sunday, and that's Amazon for you. That's just a couple of little tiny batteries. If it gives you a little clue, little 1S batteries, give you a clue what's going to be in this box here. But let me put the camera down here. Hold on a second. We'll tripod it up for you. Hey guys, make this painless and short. Good morning. It's still morning. I haven't even had my coffee. Ran out of coffee, so I had to have water for breakfast this morning. But these are just going to be a couple of extra battery packs. Nothing like a kid running out of a battery when he wants to play, when he wants to fly, right? And this I picked up from Horizon Hobby, and here's how the story goes, guys. You get to select whether you want you know, FedEx or UPS or standard postage. Well, I figured I'd go with FedEx because they seem to get it here like the next day for me. Well, I guess when the packages get smaller, they do FedEx Smart Post. So this thing went from Southern Illinois up to Berlin, Wisconsin, down to McHenry, and then McHenry got it here yesterday, and somewhere along the line it said it was due to a weather delay. That's why it was coming late. But yeah, they told me it was going to be here Friday at first, then Thursday, which is today, and then now I'm looking at it and the box is moving. Sorry about the shaking of the camera. We'll fix that for you guys here. Hold on a second. Stupid box. Let's see how that looks. How's that, guys? A little bit better? Okay, sorry about that. I get a clearer picture and I can hear a little bit better if I don't use the tripod, because if I use the tripod I got to put the waterproof case on the camera, which is one reason I kind of wish I'd maybe gotten the Mobius, because it's already waterproof. But and now the new Mobius cameras have the G-Metrics also, so that's kind of neat. And I think they're lower priced than I paid. I paid $400 for this camera. You can get the Mobius GoPro, or not Mobius, you can get the GoPro is what I was talking about. GoPro cameras. You can get the GoPro with the G-Matrix, or their form of it, for like $200 I think now, the silver edition, and it's like a GoPro 7. Alright, here's what we got from Horizon Hobby, guys, and this is going to be for my nephew Brandon. He's about 13 or 14, I'm thinking, and this should be perfect for him. It's got HD, 1080p, it records on board, I believe, recording. It comes with a little FPV set. You hook this, now it's a Wi-Fi, so you hook this up with your phone, but it does have an actual transmitter. So let's open this thing up and see if all the parts are in there right. I hate to open up a kid's toy, but I also like to make sure that it's not busted before he gets it. So that's kind of an important thing, I think. I can put the piece of tape back on there. And chances of Brandon seeing this video is probably nil and none. So yeah, Inductrix FPV HD. It's FPV equipped with an HD 1080p camera. Easy to fly, safe technology, high power. It takes high power batteries. That's cool. That's what I happen to buy. And It's got angle mode, altitude mode, and it does have the meow mode, guys, where it flips itself over if you turn it over. So let's pull this thing out of the box. It's supposed to be ready to go. The only thing he's gonna have to use is a camera. This is the way it comes. Nice little shell on top of there, protects everything. Here's the size of the deal. Let's see if I can get it out of the box without doing too much damage. Murphy's been working against me today, guys, so things like really fumbling around and stuff like that. The computer didn't want to work, the phone didn't want to work. I'm surprised the phone worked. The delivery, how it came and stuff like that. It's just one of those days. We'll laugh our way through it. Anyway, it comes with instruction manual and looks like a little mini USB for charging, which is kind of cool. Charging or FPV transfer, I'm not sure. Maybe camera transfer. Let's see if we can get it out of this bubble shell here. This is unrehearsed, guys, so if you're wondering. Alright, it does come with a cool little transmitter here. And it looks like it has a little adjustable latch for your smart camera. So he's going to be using that for his FPV. It's supposed to be one-touch takeoff and stuff like that. This is really a pretty cool little deal, guys. It was all together included with the transmitter, battery, ready to fly. Everything you need but the cell phone. It will fly without the cell phone, of course, but you won't get the FPV. It's got a nice camera on the front. Looks like a decent little objective on it, too. So it's supposed to be 1080p. Transmits and such. I hope he doesn't mind that. It's got a little scrape up on the top. I might be able to clean that up a little bit for him. But antennas built into these, and they look pretty sturdy. Again, Inductrix fans. That helps protect the fans from breaking off. Comes with a charger. And it does come with a battery. One of these little guys. And I've got 2 of those that I just ordered. I'll have to make sure I did get the right connector for it, though. I'm pretty sure I did. At least enough to get him started, guys. But looks like a pretty rugged little unit, to tell you the truth. A little tougher than the normal Inductrix that I've seen. I kind of like it, to tell you the truth, for myself. But should be great for a kid. Should be great for a kid to learn on. And he gets video, live streaming, and recording capability. Where does the card go? I'm not real sure. Here's a plug-in back here for charging. Or that's the plug-in that plugs into the battery, I see. Okay. And individual motors that just plug in the bottom, too. So that would make it really kind of easy for servicing. You know, should you need to replace a motor. Looks pretty straightforward, guys. I bet it's going to be pretty cool. I wish I could show more, but without a camera or a phone that I could download the program to and get it working and stuff, then it's a used toy, so I can't really do that. But happy birthday. Merry Christmas to Brandon. When he does get to see this video, I'll tell him about it on Christmas time, that he gets to see his unboxing. And this is from his grandma Kathy. Grandma got him that one. And the batteries to boot. These were only like 10 bucks for 2 of them, guys. So they're cheap. They're dirt cheap. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later, guys. Have a good Christmas and a nice Thanksgiving coming up. Talk to you later. I did the doggy's bed yesterday and washed everything. They're really happy about it. She's a little despondent. Thanks for watching, guys. $69.95 on sale. Closeout price, actually. Might be something to think about for your Christmas wish list, guys. Quick, easy pickup for some lucky little young man or young lady. If she's into that. Bye for now.